What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in this video, I have my June Diva bag by Sonya. Oh my gosh, you guys, that first bag that I got from her, the new bag, this is her new bag. She had a subscription bag that she did each month that was just geared towards makeup, and it was only, I think, like $12 or $13 a month. So super affordable. She killed it with that bag. I loved all the super unique, fun stuff she put in that bag. It was definitely my favorite makeup bag that I got each month, but she decided to stop doing that bag. Well, I found out that she decided to do a new venture, and with this one, you're guaranteed 3 items. So you get like a t-shirt and 2 other items that are kind of accessories driven, maybe some earrings, maybe a bracelet, maybe some hair clips, who knows. The last one was amazing. So I'm very much looking forward to seeing what she put in this box. So without further ado, let's jump into my June Diva bag by Sonya. Okay guys, so this time, whoop, it's a box. So this time she sent a box of goodies, which I'm really excited to see what's inside. Oh my gosh, that first one was amazing. I mean, she killed it. She killed it, which doesn't surprise me at all. Sonya is amazing. I mean, you definitely get the bang for your buck with her subscription boxes. So if you're not subscribed, I highly suggest that you go check her out. It's 100% worth it. All right, so she has a little, oh, I love it. She has a little note in here. It says, "To the magnificent Amber." Oh my gosh, I love it. She is so awesome. She really knows how to make people feel good. She puts these kinds of sayings on all of her boxes, and I just think it's so awesome. So what does this say? Let's go ahead and, yeah, okay. It says, "Hey Diva, and welcome back to the all-new Diva bag," which is so awesome. "This month we are having fun in the sun with a summer dress." Ooh, what? "That will announce exactly who you are. Add one of the 2 colorful earrings." What? "And grab your bag for a fun day at the beach." Guys, did I say this bag was only $25 a month? I am just saying, 100% worth it. You're getting all this awesome stuff. "When the day is over, don't forget to enjoy some me time with one of 4 masking pods. Enjoy your June." What? All right, Sonya. You got me super excited. So here's a sneak peek of what I see. The first thing on the top is obviously going to be the dress. Let's check it out. Phenomenal woman. That's me. That's what it says. Oh my gosh, I love it. How cute is this, you guys? It's like a light green color, and then of course it has the saying on it, and it's just like a t-shirt or a tank top dress. That's what I mean. Oh, it's got pockets. Oh, stop it. It's got pockets in it. I can't. I will try this on for you guys, but it won't be today. So I'll have like different makeup and stuff on because I don't want to mess myself up. I've got myself ready to go to a party, so I don't want to mess myself up trying stuff on, but I would definitely try this on for you. I think it is so super fun. This is perfect for me for around the house since I don't go to the beach, but that's okay. I love having that kind of stuff. Oh my gosh, Sonya, you are amazing. Amazing. Okay, guys, this box is so fun. All right, so I have one of these super fun little head things that you put on when you do your makeup. Love these. Use these all the time, and I go through them quite a bit. Oh, she always likes to put some candy in here. This time she has these little Tootsie Roll fruit shoes, which is awesome. I love how she does that little touch. Guys, oh, here's another one. It's green. So I got a couple of those. I'll definitely eat those as soon as I'm done filming. Oh my gosh, these earrings are so fun. I am going to love this. I love crazy, loud, fun types of things, and these earrings are definitely that, and I'm so happy to have them. Let me get them to stop moving. Look at that. Yes, please. Oh my gosh, I love them. I mean, I love them. These are going to look so great on camera. Oh my gosh, these are so fun. Oh, I love it. Guys, like I said, I got a dress and earrings already. $25 a month for this subscription. I just can't say that enough. Oh my gosh, these ones are so super fun too. I can't. Now, if you don't like loud, crazy, outside the box kinds of things, this may not be for you. But she does have you take a little I don't want to say it's a survey, but it's like a form that you fill out letting her know what your style is so that hopefully she can put things that are more geared towards the things that you might like. Okay, but check these out. I love them. Stop it. All the super fun colors. This is going to look great with all the fun rainbow looks that I do all the time. They are loud, they are big, they are bold. I love them. They are definitely Amber. I'm just saying. How fun is that? It looks like they used raffia. Definitely looks like they used raffia to make these earrings, which is an interesting concept. Something I might want to think about. As a crafter, I like to try to see how things are made, so that is super fun. And then we have Mary Kay, Mad About Masking. It's a mask pod gift set. So you get 4 mask pods. Okay, so I'm going to open this up some more just to kind of see what's in here so that we can see exactly what all of these pods are, what they do, all that fun stuff. So Sonya does sell Mary Kay. So it is definitely fitting that she puts their products in these boxes so that we can try them. If we like them, we can buy them from Sonya. I'm just saying. All right, so this Miss Perfect mask pod. Okay, so that's to cleanse your pores. This one here is an Energy Queen mask pod. I don't know that it says what it does. This is Lady Serenity, so this one must be calming. And then we have a Dewy Gal mask pod. Okay, guys, so here they are outside of the packaging. That is super fun. Can't wait to give these a try. I love it. That is going to be great. Okay, super fun, you guys. Oh my gosh, she is just... Sonya really truly is amazing. I mean, she really is. I don't want to take up too much of your time trying to put this stuff away. Okay, so then the last thing in here is this amazing huge beach bag. Oh my god, it is so big. And it's so fun and so unique. Oh my gosh, I can't. I'm trying to figure out how to open it so I can take it out of this loud wrap. Oh my gosh, you guys. Stop it. Look. It is so big, you guys. And look at this rope string. I love this detail on the side here. Look at how fun this is. Oh my gosh, I can't. This is awesome. Again, you guys, $25 a month for this. Look at how big this bag is. You're going to be able to put a lot of stuff in there to take to the beach. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so fun. Okay, again, this is the new Diva bag by Sonya. This one is $25 a month, and you're guaranteed 3 items. Usually, I think it's going to mainly be like a t-shirt, or like in this case, it was super fun sundress, and then 2 other accessory kind of items. You just don't know what you're going to get. She's going to put in there as many extras as she can. Again, she's in this to make money, guys. This is $25 a month, and I definitely got more than the value that I paid for this bag. Now, you do have to pay for shipping, so it's $25 plus shipping. Just keep that in mind, all right, guys? So I 100% think that it's worth it. I am so excited about this new bag, and I can't wait to get my next one. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! And I gotta say, my last one was so awesome. So I'm really excited to see what's in this one. I was so disappointed when she canceled her makeup bag that she did each month, which again was super affordable. But okay, hold on.